Can you believe that you can earn money just with walking? Hello, this is Amir Hussein and welcome to Online Income Generation YouTube channel. Today, I want to introduce some websites and applications that if you download and install them at your mobile phone, you can earn money from just walking. Fantastic. But how? The first website is charitymiles.org. At Charity Miles, every mile matters. They help people, charities, and companies make an impact with every step. The application is 4.9 out of 5 stars from plus 62,000 reviews. You can download that from the website, and this is the excellent website for paying money for every mile you're walking. At Charity Miles, you can earn money for charities without begging your friends and family for walkathon donations. This app allows you to log running, cycling, or walking workouts. You choose a charity and the app uses your phone's GPS and motion sensors to track your mileage. So fantastic. So what's the next one? The next one is Evidation.com. Get rewarded for everyday activity. You can download from the App Store or Google Play. This is the application environment. You can unlock personalized content and trend reports. You can participate in health research. And this is the ways for making money online just with walking with Evidation.com. In 2022, over 5 million members joined to Evidation. With the Evidation app, you can earn money for walking, biking, swimming, and other exercises as tracked via the app. You can earn up to 80 points per day for exercise activities and 6 points per day for logging food, sleep tracking, weighting yourself, meditating, or sharing your health journey on Twitter. Evidation pays $10 for every 10,000 points you earn, and you can donate your points to certain charities. Even if you maximize your point earning, it will still take 4 months to earn $10, but that's $30 per year for health activities you were doing anyway. The Evidation application can connect to over 20 other fitness trackers and apps, including Apple Health, Samsung Health, Fitbit, Garmin, Strava, Runkeeper, Mapmyfitness, MyFitnessPal, and Misfit. You don't need a fitness tracker to use Evidation. So, what's the next website? The third one is Healthwag.com. Weight loss challenges plus cash prizes win up to $10,000. You can get started from here. This is the success stories, fantastic for motivation. For example, he won $3,000 and lost 160 pounds in just 18 months. This is the workplace challenges and team challenges. You can study at their website and join up to 10 challenges at once, or start your own challenge. You can join the teams. For example, this is 1 to 9 team size. For current pot, more than $4,000. Healthwag allows you to participate in weight loss challenges for cash prizes up to $10,000. You can bet on yourself and participate in an individual challenge to guess how much weight you will lose through walking or other activity. It's so fantastic. You can choose jackpot challenges. You can choose these jackpot challenges or step count challenges. Jackpot challenges are based on reaching your goal weight. Step goal challenges are based on your current and previous step averages and help you build your daily step count. These workplace and team challenges can get multiple people motivated to work together to earn a prize. Before I introduce the fourth one, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and comment. Every week I introduce you some online websites or apps and teach you how to make online at internet world with any career. So turn on the notification so that don't miss any videos for making money online. Number 4 is pkrewards.com. PK Rewards is an iOS app that allows you to earn virtual coins towards rewards or support for charities. Any physical activities that can be tracked by your phone will earn coins. The more effort you put into the exercise, the faster you earn coins. So the app encourages moderate to vigorous physical activity. You can download from App Store. The Android devices can't use PK rewards, unfortunately. Also, you can link your Apple Watch or compatible heart rate monitor to get a more accurate effort estimate. You can connect to other workout apps and import workouts from them. Number 5 is Sweetco.in or Sweetcoin. It pays to walk. Healthier planet, healthier, wealthier you. It's the slogan, and you can know how to spend a few simple steps, walk and earn. Choose from thousands of fabulous branded goods and services in their marketplace, from high-tech shoes to iPhones, anti-gravity, yoga classes, Apple Watches, and more. This is the website interface. You can donate to, and this is the number of Switch coins created. This is real time. Sweetcoin gives you cryptocurrency rewards for walking. It converts every 2,000 steps into the currency. It has its own currency, which you can use for various rewards or trade. The basic app is free but has a walking step limit for the day. The application is available for both iOS and Android. You can download from here at their website. So what's the next? The next one is Hiji. Welcome to Hiji. We are here for you, so you can be there for what matters. Hiji isn't its own app. Instead, it partners with many devices and apps to turn fitness efforts into points for rewards. The company acquired the Earned It site, which performed the same function. Your account is transferable. You can join or free and link your apps to update your points earned in Hiji challenges automatically. The challenges can be a week long or a month long. You can join for free and link your apps to update your points earned in Hiji. You earn points per mile or miles worth of daily steps. You can also earn points by using a Hiji health tracking station located at pharmacies. This measures your pulse, blood pressure, weight, BMI, and body fat. Excellent. Number 7 is Better Points. betterpoints.ltd. Better points, just what the doctor ordered. This is the slogan. Grow greener, crush carbon, and prove green credentials. The behavior change solution for better transport, health, and climate. Okay. These are the statistics that made by Better Points. We make green and healthy behavior irresistible. These are the number of kilogram carbon emissions avoided. And this is the journeys on foot and journey cycle, journeys by public transport. The Better Points app offers rewards for walking and other physical activities. After joining, you can select a challenge and earn points or a ticket in a drawing for a lot of points. Campaigns last about 3 months or longer and use goals and rewards to increase motivation. There are medals, leaderboards, and prize drives to increase engagement. These are what their clients say, and these are some of their clients and partners. You can visit them at their website. So fantastic. Number 8 is Stepbet, Stepbetcom. Win together with a Stepbet. Achieve your fitness goals by putting real money on the line. Connect your favorite fitness tracker and beat your personalized step goals to win. And this is the application environment, and you can download from App Store or Google Play. Both Android and iOS is supported. Give your days more energy. With the Stepbet app, you bet on yourself with real money to reach your step goals. You can win or lose. Your steps are tracked with your Fitbit, Garmin, or smartphone's health app. The application determines your step goals based on your previous activity. Both your typical activity days and power days that you meet a stretch goal. You must achieve 4 active days for 2 power days each week for the length of each game period to split the pot. These are the players' number paid out to winners and steps taken, what their players have to say. Because of an injury, I went from 4 to 5 miles a day to doing basically nothing. Thanks to Stepbet, I've slowly increased my activity and I am now back to where I used to be. Okay? If you don't make your goals for any week, after the first week, you're out of the game and lose your money. It's betting on yourself. A set amount is required for each game period, usually $40. Users report making a few dollars more than their bet if they are winners. This can be very motivating as you have real skin in the game. Number 9 is Mapmyfitness. Mapmyfitness.com is one of the best applications that you can have at your mobile phone, and with the website you can earn money just with walking. If you had any experience to work with these applications, please write your comments, and if you enjoyed from the video until now, please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. With using my Mapfitness, you have allowed to join in challenges and earn chances for prizes. The prizes include many Under Armour products and those from other fitness-oriented companies. At Mapmyfitness, you won't earn real cash or guaranteed rewards. This is a nice perk of using this app. This app can connect to your Fitbit and phone sensors. For all-day activity, you can track individual workouts via GPS. This is the miles logged, this is the routes created, and this is the workout logged. You can download the applications from App Store or Google Play, and I recommend that visit their website. Number 10 and last one is Carrot, carrotwellness.com. The Carrot app offers rewards for reaching your daily step goal, but only for those in certain Canadian provinces. The application determines your step goal and you can track your steps with your phone or a linked Fitbit. Why participants love Carrot? You can study here. I don't waste your time. You can study yourself at carrotwellness.com. You can play games, participate in contests, join challenges, bid on an auction, or get a digital gift card with the points you earn. These are the services that stands out. Play games, participate in content. The points you earn are redeemable through several programs, including Aeroplan Miles, Drop, More Rewards, Petro Points, RBC Rewards, and Scene. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until the next video and next online income. Bye bye.